last part of today is the trig integrals. And so these are things you're going to have to memorize just like you did with the derivatives. Now, if you've already memorized the derivatives, it does make the integrals that much easier. Because if you take the derivative of sine, you get cosine. So if you're taking the integral of cosine, of course it's sine of x plus c. If you take the derivative of cosine x, you actually get negative sine. But notice how there's a negative out here, so a negative sign would make a positive sign. So each of these you can check by knowing your derivatives of integrals. Notice one of the things I remember when I'm thinking about my trig integrals is that anytime I get a cosine, cotangent, cosecant answer, there's a negative out front. If I'm just getting sine, tangent, secant, so it's not one of the cosines, cotangent, cosecants, I know that it's a positive answer. That will help you when you're taking the integrals. So we're going to go ahead and take the integrals of each of these. So if I integrate this right here, one of the rules with a constant out front is you can just rewrite that part. The integral of sine x is cosine. It's actually a negative cosine plus c. Remember I said anytime you wrote the cosines or the cotangent or the cosecants, you'd put a negative out front. You can check this, so if you check it and you take the derivative of this, you would get, and this is just a quick check, take the derivative of this, you'd get negative 2 times negative sine x, and then the derivative of c would just be 0. Well, negative 2 times negative sine gets you back to a positive, so you can feel confident in your answer. The next one, the integral of 5 cosine x, is you write your 5, take the integral of cosine, which is sine, and then put c on the end. Last example for today, the integral of x squared is x to the third over 3. Raise it by 1, put it over the same power, plus the integral of sine is negative cosine x, and we'll put plus c on the end.